Nia is purpose to make our collective vocation in developing our community in order to restore our people to their traditional greatness. So Nia is purpose. You have to have a purpose in everything that you do. You can't just do things and not know why you're doing them. So having a purpose keeps you set.
My objective wasn't being able to talk. My objective was to pioneer the field of radio for the blacks. Whether I could talk or whether I couldn't talk, I was more interested in being successful out of presenting myself and casting myself as a testing ground, if you please, to be able to open this door of radio for the blacks. Well, my concern was that it wasn't black radio personalities on the air. There certainly wasn't any black radio stations. And what I had, as far as foresight is concerned, is the fact that I would like to have seen the day that you hear now, not only for just me and my station WVKO, but being a pioneer. So and use myself as the guinea pig of an example for all the rest of the, not the blacks, but see the whites to go by. I was succeeding to the extent of a commercial value until I was able to boast and brag to my associates in competitive fields that it's going to be a must for you to put on more blacks like me, so far as commercial advantages is concerned.